In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add community moderator on your YouTube channel. So when you talk of a community moderator, this is someone whom you have entrusted with going through your comments and giving them authority or power to remove comments that deem to be harmful to your channel or to your viewers. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, so to do this, go ahead and log into your YouTube studio and then go to settings. From this, click on community moderation and then go ahead and choose user management. Now from this, scroll down and get to standard moderators. Now you can see standard moderators can help moderate your content by removing comments and viewer posts, which will appear in your held page, and by managing your live chat messages. So under standard moderators, go ahead and enter the URL of the moderator you want. You are told here, paste the channel URL of a user to add as standard moderator. So if I go ahead and paste this URL, now I can choose from the link, and here is the moderator. I'll go ahead and save. So the moderator is basically a YouTube channel or a YouTube account of the individual that you want to give the permission. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save, and the moderator now will be added. So that's how you can add moderators for your posts and comments on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.